What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Ursh Cuisine. So, season 2 of The Witcher comes out on Friday, and that's why today I'm going to show you how to make The Witcher's elf and onion soup, but we're going to make it vegan. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Ursh Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. For this recipe, you'll need about 400 grams of plant-based meat, 4 large onions, sliced, 3 cloves of garlic, sliced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of vegan butter, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 cup of dry red wine, and some salt and pepper and parsley to taste. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking. All right, and here we have our vegan Witcher, elf, and onion soup. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video. Share it with a friend. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.